Hi, this is Charlene Smith, the new name that I have from heaven. I've been staying here at a Park Court flat since from the 1st of February 2020. Then I'm leaving today on the 18th of July 2020. I will never come back. I was so pissed off. They steal for me. They never been honest for me. So I lose it all, but it's okay. As long I have umphefumulo, that is okay to me. God forgive them all what they did to me, because they don't know what they've been doing. Thank you. Queen Shirley Smith.